Welcome to the Lucid Hour, where we explore the mind after dark. This is a journey not just into your dreams, but into your own thinking itself. We'll move through a sequence designed to help you fall asleep while remaining lightly aware. The awareness you'll carry into your dreams tonight, where you wake up inside of them. The technique we'll use is Finger-Induced lucid dreaming. Listen to this video as you fall asleep, and if you're not ready, save this video for tonight, just before sleep. Right now, just listen and stay present. Let your attention narrow to this moment and follow the guidance as it unfolds. Each section will lead you closer. Body relaxed, breath even, awareness steady beneath the surface of sleep. Tonight, as you lie down and your body begins to soften, allow your mind to drift just beyond the edge of ordinary awareness. Feel the rhythm of your breath, steady and deliberate, a bridge between wakefulness and the threshold of dreaming. Notice the subtle weight of your body against the surface beneath you, and let that awareness anchor you. Imagine the space of your mind opening, like a vast sky stretching endlessly in all directions. Within this space, thought becomes more fluid, more malleable, and reality itself seems less fixed. Your focus sharpens naturally, not forced, drawing you inward toward a point of quiet observation. Let images arise without judgment, like clouds shifting effortlessly. Some may seem vivid, others distant or shadowed, yet all are fragments of the same waking consciousness blending into dream. There's no need to chase them, only to witness, allowing each one to pass and evolve naturally. With each exhale, sense the boundaries between sleep and wakefulness loosening. Thoughts may flicker, memories may surface, and yet a calm clarity persists. You are neither fully awake nor entirely asleep, resting in a liminal space where imagination can flow freely. Focus now on a single point, a small detail that draws your attention. It could be a sound, a sensation, a faint color in your mind's eye. Let it expand gently, filling your awareness, guiding you deeper into this receptive state. There is no rush. Each moment is enough. As your awareness settles, the possibility of entering a lucid state emerges naturally, not through effort, but through quiet recognition and gentle attention. The mind begins to align with itself, harmonizing awareness, intention, and perception into a unified current. Rest here, feeling the stillness and subtle energy around you. Each breath, each flutter of thought becomes part of a larger rhythm. There is no expectation, only the unfolding of your own inner landscape, ready to carry you into a lucid experience. Now, as your body rests completely and your mind hovers in that quiet space between wakefulness and sleep, notice the small currents of energy in your hands. Feel your fingers resting lightly, aware but relaxed, poised to move with effortless precision. These tiny motions will guide your awareness deeper without disturbing the calm of your body. Allow a gentle, almost imperceptible tapping of your fingers to begin, soft and rhythmic, like the pulse of a distant heartbeat. With each subtle motion, your mind remains alert, even as your body drifts further into rest. There is no need for force or strain. Every movement is delicate, intentional, and almost weightless. Let your focus rest on the sensation of each finger pressing and lifting, noticing the micro shifts in your awareness. This simple action becomes a bridge, anchoring attention, while the rest of your body sinks deeper into sleep. Each tap carries you closer to a lucid state where consciousness and dreaming align naturally. As you continue, the world around you begins to blur, replaced by the soft, fluid imagery of the mind. Shapes, colors, and fleeting impressions appear and fade, yet you remain a steady observer, calm and centered. Awareness flows effortlessly with the rhythm of your fingers, guiding you into the threshold of dreaming. Notice the subtle pull of gravity, the gentle rise and fall of your chest, and the soft weight of your limbs. These sensations, once ordinary, now deepen your connection to the liminal state. You are both awake and dreaming, balanced in a space where lucidity can emerge. Visualize a thread of light stretching from your awareness through your fingertips, extending into the dream space before you. With each micro movement, this thread strengthens, drawing your consciousness gently forward while your body remains still and heavy. Rest here, allowing curiosity and attention to coexist with total relaxation. Each finger motion, each breath, and each passing image is part of the unfolding process. There's no expectation. Your awareness follows the natural alignment of mind and body, ready to carry you into a lucid dream. Now, as the gentle rhythm of your fingers continues, allow your attention to drift deeper into the sensations of your body. Notice the subtle heaviness in your limbs, the soft warmth of your skin, the rise and fall of your chest. These physical impressions anchor you, even as your mind begins to move fluidly between waking and dreaming. Imagine your consciousness as a quiet stream flowing smoothly around each small movement of your fingers. Each tap is a ripple, guiding awareness further inward, carrying you through the layers of thought that once felt solid but now soften like mist. You do not need to control the stream, simply let it flow, noticing where it leads. Feel the gentle tug of the dream state as it begins to form at the edges of perception. Shapes and colors may appear and fade. Sounds may whisper or hum faintly, and yet you remain alert, present, and calm. Each subtle impression draws your attention inward, heightening awareness while keeping the body fully relaxed. As your mind hovers between wakefulness and dreaming, allow images or sensations to expand naturally. They may take the form of landscapes, textures, or fleeting faces, each one appearing briefly and then dissolving. Observe without judgment, letting each fragment guide you toward a lucid experience. Focus now on the feeling of floating or gentle motion, even if it exists only in your imagination. There is a natural rhythm here, a sense of movement that carries you without effort. Your fingers continue their delicate motion, a tether to conscious awareness as the dream world opens around you. Notice the clarity that comes with this liminal state. Thoughts feel lighter, sharper, and yet more flexible. Awareness is steady, alert, and spacious, allowing you to navigate the emerging dream environment with subtle intention. Rest in this balance, sensing the harmony between body, mind, and dream. Each finger motion, each breath, and each fleeting image reinforces your presence in this space. There is nothing to force. You are watching the unfolding of lucidity as it happens, deliberate and entirely natural. Now, allow your mind to sink even further into the space between waking and dreaming, where clarity and imagination merge effortlessly. Sense the quiet expansion of awareness, a subtle widening that holds both stillness and alertness simultaneously. Each breath deepens this balance, carrying you gently forward. Focus on the soft rhythm of your fingers, tapping lightly, barely perceptible, yet precise. These micro movements act as a guide, keeping your consciousness tethered while the rest of your body drifts deeper into sleep. Notice how each tap aligns with the flow of your attention, forming a seamless connection between intent and sensation. Begin to explore the faint images that surface at the edges of your perception. They may be abstract patterns, flashes of color, or brief impressions of shapes and movement. Do not analyze them, but do observe, allowing each one to expand and fade naturally as if the mind itself is breathing them into existence. Feel the subtle currents of energy moving through your body and into your fingertips. Each finger tap enhances this connection, reinforcing your presence in the liminal state where dreaming begins to take shape. Your awareness is steady, calm, and fully receptive. Notice the sensation of weightlessness, as if your body is floating within the soft confines of your bed. Feel the gentle guidance of your fingers and the quiet rhythm of your breath. This balance prepares the mind to slip into lucidity effortlessly. Imagine a soft, luminous thread linking your fingertips to the unfolding dream, guiding your awareness forward without forcing it. Each small motion strengthens the connection, drawing you naturally into the lucid space where you can observe, explore, and interact. Rest fully in this state, sensing the harmony of body, mind, and emerging dream. The fingers continue their gentle rhythm, the breath remains steady, and your awareness expands, poised on the threshold of conscious dreaming. Here, lucidity begins to flow naturally, calm, deliberate, and entirely under your subtle guidance. Now, as your awareness deepens, notice how the world of your mind begins to stretch and shift, fluid and malleable. Shapes, colors, and sensations emerge without effort, forming a landscape that is entirely yours to observe. There is no need to control, simply witness, allowing your mind to flow naturally. Focus again on the subtle motions of your fingers, light and effortless. Each tap maintains a tether to conscious awareness while your body drifts further into the dream state. The rhythm is gentle, precise, and almost imperceptible, carrying your mind forward with calm certainty. Allow the imagery around you to expand, flowing like water across a still surface. Patterns, textures, and faint echoes of movement appear and dissolve, each one guiding your attention deeper. You remain a steady observer, aware of the unfolding scene, yet relaxed and at ease. Sense the energy within your body as it aligns with this liminal state. Every micro motion of your fingers amplifies awareness, while the rest of your body feels heavy, relaxed, and fully supported. The mind becomes a quiet, receptive space where lucidity can naturally emerge. Visualize a gentle light within your awareness, soft and steady, illuminating the edges of the dream space. Each flicker and movement in this light draws your focus inward, merging observation with imagination. The dream world forms effortlessly around this awareness, guided by your subtle attention. Feel the harmony between motion, breath, and awareness, each reinforcing the other. Your fingers tap lightly, your breath flows steadily, and your mind hovers between wakefulness and dreaming, fully present yet completely relaxed. Rest here, allowing the unfolding experience to carry you further. You maintain alignment of body, mind, and the emerging lucid landscape. Each small action, each moment of attention brings you closer to full conscious dreaming. Now, as your body rests and your fingers remain still, feel the calm weight of your limbs and the steady rhythm of your breath. Each exhale releases tension, and each inhale draws awareness deeper into the space between waking and dreaming. Sense the subtle energy in your mind expanding, flowing outward in soft waves. Thoughts come and go, but you remain steady, observing each without attachment. The dream world begins to shape itself gently around your awareness. Focus on a single, faint image or sensation. It might be a color, a pattern, or a soft sound emerging from the background of your mind. Let it grow naturally, expanding outward, carrying your attention deeper into the lucid space. Notice how your sense of body blends with the dream. Limbs feel light yet grounded, breath feels effortless, and awareness is wide and alert. The dream begins to respond subtly to your attention, shifting and forming around the consciousness you carry. Allow any lingering tension to dissolve. Feel it melting into the mattress, the air, or the surrounding space. Each moment of release deepens your connection, anchoring lucidity while your body remains fully relaxed. Visualize a soft, steady thread connecting your inner awareness to the unfolding dream. Every pulse, every subtle shift in attention strengthens this thread, guiding you into the lucid space with gentle certainty. Rest here, letting curiosity and calm coexist. Each passing image, each shift in sensation, draws you further into the dream. There is no need to do anything except observe and allow, letting lucidity arise naturally. Now, as the dream space grows more vivid, notice the subtle textures and colors forming around you. Shapes shift effortlessly, and the environment feels fluid yet coherent, as though it responds to your inner presence. Bring your attention to the feeling of motion within the dream. Even if it is only imagined, sense the gentle flow carrying you through this space. There is no urgency, only smooth, natural movement guided by awareness. Let the dream expand with each breath. Soft sounds, faint scents, or delicate touches may emerge. Simply notice them, letting awareness integrate these impressions while keeping the mind calm and steady. Feel a quiet stability in the center of your consciousness. Thoughts may surface, yet they do not distract or pull you away. You are both observer and participant, fully present in this lucid landscape. Visualize a subtle inner light illuminating the dream, highlighting patterns, spaces, and fleeting images. Let your awareness follow this light, allowing it to guide you deeper without forcing any direction. Sense the harmony of breath, body, and mind. Even as the dream world grows vivid, your presence remains grounded, alert, and calm, a witness to the unfolding experience without needing to act or control. Rest fully into this lucid space. Awareness and dream are now one, each movement, sound, and image integrated into the flow. Let your mind drift freely while remaining aware, the perfect balance between observation and immersion. Now, notice the gentle fading of your physical surroundings, replaced entirely by the dream world forming in your mind. Your body remains relaxed, yet your awareness is alert, poised to explore the space fully. Allow the rhythm of breath and subtle inner energy to guide you. There is no need to move fingers or focus deliberately. Your awareness carries the lucidity forward naturally. Observe the dream environment as it grows more detailed and immersive. Light, color, and texture respond subtly to your attention. You are aware, present, and entirely calm, the perfect witness within your dream. Sense the feeling of freedom in this space. Movement, perspective, and perception can shift effortlessly. There is nothing to control, only the quiet observation of what naturally unfolds. Focus on the core of your awareness, the still point that remains constant even as the dream shifts. This is your anchor, a gentle thread connecting waking clarity to lucid exploration. Let go of all expectation. The dream is now fully your landscape. Each sound, sensation, and vision flows seamlessly. Guided by subtle awareness and natural curiosity, rest completely into this experience. You are lucid, calm, and fully present. The mind and dream merge effortlessly, leaving you poised to explore, observe, and awaken within the dream itself. You can hear my voice fading away as you dissolve into the dream layer, awakening now inside to the dream layer.